Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today we are going to learn how to factorize using the sum and product method. Here we have a question. Factorize b square plus 11b plus 28. Here we are considering the coefficient of the middle term as the sum and the third term as the product. So, sum will be 11 and the product will be 28. Then we have to check which two numbers adding we will get 11 and the same numbers multiplying we will get 28. So we have to take the factors of 28, that are 1 times 28 will be 28. But when we are adding 28 and 1, 28 plus 1, it is not 11. So we cannot choose it. So we can find out the next factor, that is 2 times 14 will be 28. When we are adding 14 and 2, we will not get 11. So we cannot choose 2 and 14 also. Then the next factor is 4. 4 times 7 will be 28. When we are adding 4 and 7, the answer will be 11. So we can choose the numbers 4 and 7. Using 4 and 7, we can expand the middle term. So we can write b square plus 4b plus 7b plus 28. We had expand 11b as 4b plus 7b. Then what we have to do? Use the same method of factorization. Presently, from these all four terms, there is nothing common. So what we have to do? Choose the first two terms together. From the first two terms, what is common? B. Here we have b square, here we have b. So we can choose b first, okay, not b square. We can start the bracket. When we are taking b outside, another b is balance. Plus, we took b already, so what is balance? 4. Then, 7b plus 28. From 7 and 28, 7 is the common term. 7 is divisible by 7 and 28. So, we can take 7 outside. Inside you will get b plus 7 4s are 28. So, 4. Now here b plus 4 and b plus 4 are common. So, we can take b plus 4 common outside. Inside you will get, when we are taking b plus 4 from here, b is balance. So, b, and when we are taking b plus 4 outside, 7 is balance in the second term. So, 7. So, this is the answer of factorization, that is b plus 4 into b plus 7. Then we have another question, factorize a square plus 2a minus 8. The same way what we had done before, we can choose the coefficient of the middle term as sum and the third term as the product. So product will be 8. Then we have to choose which two numbers adding or subtracting. In before question we use adding because the sign of the third term is plus. That's why we used adding. Here the sign of the third term is negative. So we have to choose subtraction. The two numbers subtracted, we have to get 2. The same numbers multiply, we have to get 8. So we can choose the factors of 8. 1 times 8 will be 8. But 8 minus 1, it is not 2. I said we are choosing subtraction because it's depending upon the sign of the third term. Here the sign of the third term is negative. That's why we are choosing subtraction. So 8 minus 1, it is not 2. So we cannot choose this one. The next factor is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So when we are subtracting 4 and 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So we got the numbers 2 and 4. Then our question, a square plus 2a minus 8. Like before, we can expand the middle term using 2 and 4. So a square. So take care, because of this sign, when we are subtracting, we will get the middle term 2. So what we have to do? Plus 4a minus 2a. Then only when we are subtracting, we will get 2a. We can write the middle term as it is. Now what we have to do? Factorization. So presently from these all 4 terms, there is nothing common. So we can choose the first 2 terms. From the first 2 terms, a is common. We can take that outside. When we are taking 1a outside, 1 more a is left. Plus, here from this term we took a outside, so 4 is left. Here negative 2a, negative 8. We can take negative as common. 2 and 8 are there in table 2. So we can take that 2 outside, start the bracket. When we are taking negative 2 from negative 2a, a is balanced. Negative already we took outside, so it will become positive. 2's table were 8, 2 4's are 8. Then, now a plus 4 is common. So we can take a plus 4 outside. Inside what we will get? When we are choosing a plus 4 from here, a is balanced. A plus 4 is common. A took outside. The balance thing is here in second term, it is minus 2. So the answer is a plus 4 into a minus 2.